Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to get a secure trampler entrance in Sand. One of the biggest threats to your trampler isn't always enemy cannons. It can be other players sneaking aboard while you're distracted. If your trampler uses the standard open entrance, hostile raiders can climb aboard much more easily and catch you by surprise. Fortunately, there are upgraded entrance compartments that come with security doors, making it much harder for unauthorized players to board your trampler. Before you can use one, you'll first need to unlock a chassis variant with a missing central section. These secure entrances are designed to overhang from that opening, so the standard chassis won't support them properly. Once you have a compatible chassis unlocked, head to the tech tree from the main lobby. Navigate to Landwehr's branch and look for the wooden vestibule, which is the first secure trampler entrance available. If you have additional materials and crowns available, you can continue further down the branch to unlock more advanced vestibules with improved durability and security features, including ones that don't require a chassis variant with no central section. After unlocking the entrance, open the Blueprints menu and edit your trampler design. Replace your current chassis with a compatible variant that has the central section removed, then place the vestibule in that opening. Once installed, you can connect decks and compartments directly to the vestibule. The game will automatically add doors between connected sections, creating a much more secure entry point for your trampler. With the new entrance in place, you can remove your old open access entrance and redesign the rest of the trampler to make better use of the available space. A secure entrance won't make your trampler impossible to board, but it can significantly slow down enemy raiders and give you more time to react if someone tries to sneak aboard from below. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.